Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Lexus Rx330 headlight bulb using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools, including a new H7 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and some protective gloves. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to guarantee your safety throughout the process. Then, simply open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly, which is easily accessible. Next, you will need to gain access to the bulb. Begin by carefully removing the plastic engine cover. This usually involves unscrewing just 2 retaining clips. Once the cover is off, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight bulb itself. This connector typically pulls straight off. After that, twist and remove the circular dust cap that protects the bulb housing, usually with a quarter turn counterclockwise. Now it's time to replace the bulb. First, unclip the metal retaining spring that holds the old bulb firmly in place. It usually pivots on one side. Carefully pull out the old headlight bulb, taking care not to touch the glass part of the bulb with your bare hands. When inserting the new H7 bulb, ensure it is correctly seated and aligned within the housing, with the tab facing upwards for proper fitment. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reattach the metal retaining spring to firmly secure the new bulb in its position. Then, replace the dust cap by twisting it clockwise until it's snug, and reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Reinstall the plastic engine cover, securing it with the 2 clips. Turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly, ensuring proper illumination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.